Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is 2025 July 20th, and it's the Asia time for trading, and now it's still the 8:45 a.m. in Beijing. So let's share some information for yesterday. So let's see about the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin yesterday, because it's in the Saturday, so it's another very uh, big influence about the whole structures. So we can see that it's still between the old points 382 and to the 0.5. So it's still a very small variation. So we can just see that the structure is not be broken and it's still above the supporting areas. So it's still very positive, and we can see that the Ethereum, you can see that the uprise trend is not be broken. So it's much more positive than Bitcoin, but I think maybe we'll need to consider about the CME. Yeah, maybe to have uh, some CME gap between the next 4 days. So we still need to consider about the weekly candlestick when after this thing finish. Let's see about the whole trend. And so let's just share some information for you guys. So let's see about Vivian. Okay, so Vivian said if you learn as day trade and learn is daily lag exhausted, and it's host it's published in 4:59 a.m. in Beijing time. He said about play out the game between now and tomorrow evening. Take a break from trading. So let's see weekly close and start average into loss on Tuesday early morning. If tomorrow should ideally pump and close above TGIF, hoping for it. If it happens, we have one more week of green. So you can see that sideways after 120. That's where we are now. At some point, we should sweep 120 liquidity and dump so hard to under 150 and fill semi gap. So unexpectedly retracement back to OTE's road, not 122k liquidity sweep. So mostly we can catch, but I'll try it, but it's hard. Only next shortable is 119 and 108,000. Hopefully one more green weeks, depends on the weekly close. So that is Vivian's opinion, so we can see that he gives a footprint inside it. So still very positive. And let's see about the T2 contract. He do the three trading yesterday. The first is TAO. Yes, sir. He got profits, and he also do the audio. So audio is here. This is the second trade, and the third is the Solana entry. This position still get profit. So it's not bad, not bad. Yesterday, Vivian's performance still very good, and he also do a midterm trade is uh, SYRUP. So this is the first trade yesterday, but it needs 3 times to trade. So let's get see about Daniel. And Daniel said the most perfect reaction possible to the 116.9 thousand NPOV, massive amount of trap short into a week of the NPOC. That is the most perfect order flow for a great long trade. So that's his opinion, because increase in value high negative delta and the OR increasing to a weak onto support level, equal to the perfection for long trade entry. And this is his chart. I think it in this areas is a perfect order follow in the week. And I also get the Ethereum update. Still think it's very positive and very bullish. Yeah, and he said about I just went to own the Bitcoin after a perfect overflow setup, which is the flow you can see in the YouTube. So this is a nice gift for you in this weekend. So that's Daniel's opinion. Okay, so let's see about which one. Let's see about Bitcoins. Let's see. Yesterday he said there won't be any update on the weekend, people. Then it's same throughout weekly. I will just add few coins for low leverage accumulation for the next week. No scalping on the weekend for me. And there won't be any update on the weekend. People plan a same. Throughout the weekly, I will just add a few coins for low leverage accumulation for the next week. No scalping on the weekend for me. So also, if you are thinking why can't we go for high leverage scalp, and this is your opinion, you can see that. So, and in the 7 a.m. he said, random flow last bull run trap said Bitcoin will go to the 100,000 and stop around 69,000. So he said last bull run trap was that Bitcoin will go to the 100,000 and stop around 69K. So it will be so funny if the bull run trap will be the boost for Bitcoin reaching at 200,000, but it end up dumping from 169,000. Is very funny, and that is a joke from Goat. Okay, so that is today's sharing, and so if you guys want to just have some interest traders, we can also share something for you. And I hope you guys can subscribe our channel. We'll share more and more valuable information for you guys to help you to make a better trade. So that's today's sharing. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and that's all. See you tomorrow.